Welcome to those of you who are joining us from the FABTECH conference in Chicago, as well as to those who are signing in remotely from points across the globe. Our first speaker is Mr. Kent Hughes, Director of Sales of Cosin Saws North America.
Cosin would like to thank everyone for the opportunity. We're looking forward to the FABTECH show. It's great to be able to network again, and we're excited about Mechalogics in the future.
Scott Brato, Director of Sales for Xie America Incorporated.
It's a very powerful system. Again, it gives management a lot more insight into the operating the equipment properly, how to be most efficient with your production.
Next, we have Mr. Chuck Wong, U.S. Regional Representative for Thai Lift.
With the robotic, we can have automatic tool loading, automatic tool bending, automatic tool unload.
Crystal Sung, Overseas Sales Specialist for Daji Electricity Machinery Industrial Company.
To provide clients 45% power saving and excellent weighting quality. And we already successfully entered into many international, well-known auto suppliers market.
Susan Huang, Overseas Sector Manager for East Hydraulic Industrial Company.
We have 4 superiorities: professional teams, high quality parts, quick service, and the ability of integration.
That, have a good day and a good rest of FABTECH if you're here in beautiful Chicago. Sai Chin!